In the previous part, I shared about folk methods and injections to treat scabies in dogs. Today, we will delve into modern methods that are much safer and more effective. Method number 3, scabies spray. Currently on the market, there are many types of sprays. Very convenient to use. Wherever you see hair loss, the damaged areas on the skin, we spray the medicine and that's it. Very simple, right? To be honest, I don't rate this method very highly for the following 3 reasons. Although it is expensive, the effect is very slow because the pet's hair covers the entire body, so sometimes there are small spots that you can't see, so you can only spray the big spots. Then, if you spray it from one place, another place will start to grow, and you keep spraying it over and over again. And in the end, it will never be completely cured. It is very time-consuming. Secondly, although it looks convenient, that is, you just need to spray it on the skin, it is extremely time-consuming because you have to spray it on your pet 3 to 4 times a day for it to be effective. If you spray it continuously for 2 months like that, can you imagine the effort and time you spend on it? And the third reason is that it can be toxic to dogs if your dog licks the medicine.
So if you want to spray it, you must wear an Elizabethan collar for your pet.
For your safety, you also have to wear gloves and a mask. And in awkward places like around the eyes and around the mouth of your pet, how can you use the spray, right?
Method number 4, using chewable tablets to treat scabies. This is the method that I consider to be the most effective, most convenient, and safest of all the scabies treatments at the present time. The most advanced scabies pill technology is the optimal solution because you just need to peel the pill and feed it to your dog. No need to do anything else. Just wait for the results. The pill has been created with a beef flavor by the manufacturer, so you can peel it off and let your dog chew it directly or mix it with food. And within a week, you will see the results very quickly and clearly. As I just shared, any method takes from a few weeks to a few months, right? Some methods even take a whole year. But with this medicine, you only need to see results in 7 days. The second thing is that it is very safe for your dog's health. It does not cause poisoning like injections, sprays, or topical medications. And thirdly, it saves you a lot of time because you just need to give your dog medicine and wait for the results. You don't have to do anything. You won't have to bother bathing your dog twice a week or spraying medicine 3 or 4 times a day. The only problem you're probably worried about is the price of this product. I have to tell you the truth, the current price of chewable tablets is quite high compared to injectables or sprays if you calculate the cost of the product. But based on the whole course of treatment, you don't know which one is more expensive. At first, the spray is cheaper than the chewable tablets, but when you finish spraying several bottles, you will know which one is the most expensive. And I will introduce the 3 most famous lines of chewable tablets for scabies. First, there are the Nexgard product line and the Simparica product line. These 2 brands are basically the same in terms of price, the mechanism of action of the drug, as well as the treatment regimen is the same. The difference is in the drug's pharmaceutical ingredients in this. To completely cure scabies, according to the manufacturer's recommendation, we will use 3 pills, each one 1 month apart. In fact, with my experience, most dogs with scabies only need to use the second pill to be completely cured, so we will save a fair amount. It is not necessary to comply 100% with the manufacturer's regimen, but for the best, you should still give your pet the 3rd pill to ensure that your pet is completely cured. Each box of medicine will have a weight level written on the medicine packaging, so you should follow it to buy the right pill, avoiding the case of buying the wrong weight. Basically, I rate the effectiveness as only taking about 7 days. You will start to see your pet's hair grow back. Your pet will be less itchy, its skin will be less red, and after about 15 days, its hair will grow completely on the body, and your pet will no longer itch and scratch. Too great! Another product that is currently at the top of the market in terms of effectiveness in treating scabies for dogs is Bravecto. The advantage of this product is that it works faster and lasts longer than Simparica and Nexgard.
Therefore, instead of having to take 3 pills like Simparica or Nexgard, with Bravecto, you only need 1 pill. Very few cases need to be treated with a second pill. But its price is also its biggest drawback. It is too expensive. It is 3 times more expensive than Nexgard or Simparica. If you use Bravecto, it will be much more convenient because you only need to give your pet 1 pill in the entire course of treatment, while Nexgard or Simparica is more economical because many times you only need to give it the second pill and it will be cured. So calculating the price of the product, a course of treatment with Simparica or Nexgard will help you save a lot of money.
Now you know the most effective, safe, economical way to treat scabies in dogs, right?
One more small note before ending the video. If you have a dog with severe scabies and its skin is ulcerated, which means it has a skin infection, in this case you cannot treat it purely with scabies medicine alone, but need to combine it with a 2-week course of antibiotics. Why? Because many times when you use good medicines like Bravecto, your pet is completely free of scabies, but its skin still has bacteria, which means your pet is still itchy and its skin is still oozing pus and still has ulcers. That's why you say the medicine is not effective, but that's not true. The dog is free of scabies, but its skin is still inflamed due to bacteria, so you need to combine it with another course of antibiotics to be able to stop the pet's itching and scratching. That's information that may be helpful for you in choosing a method to treat scabies for your dog right at home. If you have any questions that need support, do not hesitate to leave a question in the comments section and I will help you. If you find this video interesting and useful, please like and share the video. And if you want to receive more useful information about pet care and treatment, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you for visiting. We'll see you next time.